Hello and welcome to HiyaHiya Europe's YouTube channel. Today we are going to be talking about the HiyaHiya Tip Adapters. The HiyaHiya Tip Adapters allow you to connect different sizes of interchangeable tips and cables in order to extend the HiyaHiya interchangeable range and create an entirely flexible knitting experience. Standard HiyaHiya Tip Adapter connects large tips to small cables, whereas the small tip adapter connects small tips to miniature cables. For example, let's connect this large 10mm bamboo tip to this small cable. As you can see, without the tip adapters, the two components do not fit together. The standard tip adapters have a small end to connect to small cables and then a larger end that screws and fits to large tips, like this. We recommend that HiyaHiya Needle Grips are always used to tighten the components together to ensure a smooth join. Now let's screw the tip on, again using the needle grips. And there we have it, the large tip is now screwed seamlessly to the small cable. You do the same to connect a small tip to a miniature cable, but this time you use the small tip adapter. The components are really easy to put together and the tip adapters add even more flexibility to the interchangeable range. Now let's go through which size tips work with which size cables, which come in miniature, small and large, so you always know which tip adapter you need to use. Miniature tips come in sizes from 2mm up to 2.5mm. Small interchangeable tips come in sizes from 2.75mm up to 5mm, and large interchangeable tips come in sizes from 5.5mm up to 10mm. So, to sum up, to connect the large tips to small cables, you will need to use the standard tip adapter. And to connect small tips to miniature cables, you will need to use the HiyaHiya small tip adapters. For more information, visit www.hiyahiya-europe.com and subscribe to our YouTube channel.